There you go. That's what happens to Christmas trees when they are not longer needed. So if you've got local farm, then you can drop your old Christmas tree to them whilst it is still green. Girls enjoying the Christmas tree, which they are sharing, which I literally put on the fence between them. So they are very, very happy. Someone is very happy. Look at the waggy tails. Waggy tails. Come on. Waggy tails. I'm really sorry for the cows, because when I see when calves are pushing and punching this bucket trying to get the milk out, maybe speed it up, I don't know, it's just nature of their. I can imagine how they bruising the udder of the cow when cow has to feed them. Yeah, all of this kicking about is a hard job on poor cow's udder.